Tire Town School, Episode 67, Splashing and Playing.
The water feels nice,
Dipper said.
You should come out,
Jeb said.
Yeah,
Eddie said.
Miss Fender will be mad.
But Dipper didn't listen. She went in even deeper. Poppy went closer to the water. The others followed. Brum, brum! Gasser splashed into the water. Everyone laughed. Jeb scooped some water. Eddie dipped his tire.
I'm going in.
Zippy said. He drove into the waves.
Me too.
Jeb said. He splashed into the water. Poppy went in next.
Come on, Eddie.
She said. Eddie went in.
This is fun.
He said. Everyone splashed and played. Pop!
Uh-oh.
Eddie said.
My engine stopped.